Nom, nom, nom. I'm not sure, but I think it's a Canadian thing, like wanting to spread the flu around as much as possible. Just because the sooner I, typical Canadian, the sooner I get sick, the better, because then I get immunity. Yay, immunity! And then I'll never get sick with your plague again. So a few weeks ago, I was horribly sick with the plague, which is my way of saying the flu. And I spent the entire weekend, like, dead with this bleh coming out my nose. Anyway, I wasn't feeling super awesome on Monday, so I decided that I would spare the rest of my my peers. I would spare them my flu. So I went to school looking like this. You would not believe the weird looks that I got just for wearing a mask and protecting everyone else from all of my germs and lovely bits that you don't want to share. 2 days later, I was sitting in class and someone started coughing. And then everyone else started coughing. And I knew I was about to spend the next weekend sick in bed again. I could have been saved from this fate if only Canadians decided to use masks to cover their face when they're contagious. In Asia, they do this everywhere, and so, you know, swine flu happens, whatever. You know, just wear a mask and stay home and you're fine. You don't spread it around. Surprisingly, very few people got sick where I was with the flu. Ever. They've got it down to an art.
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because I don't want to be rude.